Welcome everyone. Today we're exploring the exciting career path of Java full stack development. This field lets you build complete web applications, from what users see to the behind-the-scenes logic. We'll break down the essential skills and tools you need, step by step. Whether you're a student, career changer, or tech enthusiast, this guide is for you. Java is a powerful, popular choice for building large, complex applications. Companies in 2025 want developers who understand the entire software process. By focusing on Java full stack, you'll develop deep, marketable skills. We'll cover everything from core concepts to the latest technologies. You'll also get practical advice on how to start learning today. By the end, you'll know what it takes to become a Java full stack developer. You'll feel ready to take your first steps. This is a rewarding career with strong job prospects. Let's dive in and discover what makes Java full stack development such a valuable path. We'll look at the tools, skills, and real-world applications you'll need. You'll see how front-end and back-end development come together. We'll also discuss job opportunities and salaries. Get ready to map out your journey in this dynamic field. Your adventure into Java full-stack development starts now. Let's get started. What is full-stack development? Imagine a restaurant. The dining area is like the front end, what users see and interact with. Front-end developers design this experience, making it attractive and easy to use. The kitchen is the back end, where the real work happens, but customers don't see it. Back-end developers build the logic, process requests, and manage data. A full-stack developer works in both areas, connecting the user interface with the server and database. This means you can build an entire application, from the sign-up form to the data storage. For example, when you sign up for a website, the front end collects your info, and the back end processes and stores it. Full-stack developers understand how these parts communicate and work together. They can troubleshoot issues across the whole system. This versatility makes full-stack developers highly valuable. You'll be able to build, maintain, and improve complete web applications. In today's job market, companies want people who can see the big picture. Full-stack skills let you contribute to every stage of a project. You'll be able to work independently or as part of a team. Understanding both front-end and back-end makes you a more effective problem solver. You'll bridge the gap between design and functionality. This holistic view is essential for modern software development. Full-stack development is about mastering the full journey of an application. It's a skill set that opens many doors. Let's see why Java is a top choice for this path. Why choose Java for full-stack development? Java is stable, reliable, and trusted by major companies worldwide. It powers banks, e-commerce, and financial platforms because it's secure and robust. Java's performance is excellent, handling millions of users efficiently. The Java Virtual Machine, JVM, lets your code run almost anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. Java's ecosystem is vast, with frameworks like Spring making back-end development faster and easier. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Use proven tools and libraries. The Java community is huge, so help and resources are always available. Java developers are in high demand, offering strong job security. Learning Java means joining a global network of professionals. Its popularity ensures plenty of learning materials and support. Java's versatility lets you work on everything from web apps to enterprise systems. Companies need skilled Java developers to maintain and grow their systems. By mastering Java, you're investing in a future-proof career. It's a practical, powerful choice for full-stack development. Now, let's look at what you'll build on the front end. The front end is what users interact with. Start with HTML for structure, CSS for style, and JavaScript for interactivity. HTML builds the skeleton of every web page. CSS adds color, layout, and design, making sites visually appealing. JavaScript brings pages to life, think menus, galleries, and dynamic content. These three are the foundation of all front-end work. Modern development often uses frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. These tools help you organize code and build reusable components. For example, a user profile component can be used across multiple pages. Learning a framework like React or Angular is essential for today's developers. Front-end skills let you create engaging, responsive websites. You'll design interfaces that work on any device. Mastering these technologies makes you a complete developer. The front end is your chance to shape the user experience. It's where creativity meets technology. Next, let's explore the back end, the engine of your application. The backend is where Java shines. You'll use Java to build the logic and services that power your app. Learn core Java concepts, variables, data types, loops, and object-oriented programming. Frameworks like Spring and Spring Boot make backend development faster and more reliable. Spring Boot lets you set up web applications with minimal configuration. You'll create RESTful APIs, endpoints that let the front end communicate with the backend. APIs handle requests, process data, and return results. For example, a user profile request goes from the front end to a back-end endpoint, which fetches and returns the data. Modern Spring Boot apps often include an embedded web server, simplifying deployment. Understanding how servers handle requests is key for back-end work. You'll learn to build scalable, maintainable services. The back-end is about making everything work smoothly behind the scenes. Mastering these skills lets you build robust, real-world applications. You'll connect the user interface to powerful business logic. This is where your Java expertise truly pays off. Now, let's talk about storing data and working efficiently. Every application needs to store data. This is where databases come in. SQL databases like PostgreSQL and MySQL organize data in tables. You'll use SQL to manage them. NoSQL databases like MongoDB store data in flexible formats, great for unstructured information. Knowing both types is valuable for different project needs. You'll write queries to create, read, update, and delete data. Beyond databases, DevOps tools are essential for modern development. Git is a must. Track code changes and collaborate with others using platforms like GitHub. Build tools like Maven and Gradle manage dependencies and automate compiling your code. Docker packages your app and its dependencies into containers, making deployment easy and reliable. These tools streamline development and help you work efficiently. DevOps practices ensure your code is always ready to deploy. Mastering these skills makes you a more effective developer. You'll be able to build, test, and launch applications with confidence. Efficient workflows are key to professional software development. Combining coding, databases, and DevOps sets you apart. These are the skills employers look for in full-stack developers. Let's see how it all comes together in a real-world example. Let's see how these technologies work together. Imagine building an online shopping site. The homepage uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, maybe with React, for a smooth, interactive experience. When a user searches for headphones, JavaScript sends a request to the backend. The Java backend, built with Spring Boot, receives the request and queries a PostgreSQL database. The database returns matching products, names, prices, images. The backend formats this data as JSON and sends it to the front end. React updates the page instantly, showing the search results without reloading. This seamless process happens in seconds. As a full-stack developer, you build every step, from user input to database and back. You understand how each part connects and communicates. This is the power of full-stack development. Now let's look at the career opportunities this skill set brings. Java full-stack developers are in high demand across industries. Major companies in finance, e-commerce, healthcare, and tech rely on Java for their core systems. Job titles include Java developer, full-stack engineer, and software engineer. Front-end skills make you even more valuable, even for back-end roles. Startups and large enterprises both seek full-stack talent for building scalable, secure apps. Entry-level salaries in the US start around $75,000 to $95,000. With experience, mid-level developers earn $100,000 to $140,000. Senior developers can make $140,000 to $180,000 or more, especially in tech hubs. Skills in cloud and DevOps can boost your earning potential. The field offers strong growth and job security. You'll have opportunities to work on diverse projects. Java full stack is a financially rewarding future-proof career. Let's see how to get started on this path. Ready to become a Java full stack developer? Here's how to start. Begin with Java fundamentals, variables, data structures, control flow, and object-oriented programming. Use free resources like YouTube and Free Code Camp to build your foundation. Next, learn front-end basics. HTML for structure, CSS for style, and JavaScript for interactivity. Practice by building simple websites and adding interactive features. Once comfortable, move to back-end development with Spring Boot. Start with a basic application, then create REST APIs. Learn to connect your app to a database like PostgreSQL and write basic SQL queries. Build small projects, a to-do list, a blog, or a simple e-commerce site. Combine front-end, back-end, and database skills in your projects. Use Git for version control and share your code on GitHub. As you grow, explore build tools and Docker for deployment. Building real projects is the best way to learn and create a portfolio. Stay consistent and keep learning. Technology evolves quickly. Be patient. Progress comes with practice. Your journey is just beginning. With dedication, you'll become a skilled Java full-stack developer. Start today and shape your future in tech.